Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So we have successfully completed our first term. Now we can enter into our second term. Okay. So in our class we are going to see about the poem. Okay. The title of the poem is The Little Elves. It was written by John Hendrik Banks. Okay. So you all will be knowing, right? What is an elf? Elves is the small magical creature. You all will be knowing, right? So in our fifth lesson also we have come across. So in this poem also we are going to see about the little elves only. Okay. Students, have you all seen the elves in your life? So have you ever read these stories of the elves, like the elves and the shoemaker, like that we have already we have learned the story? No. Likewise, did you read any other story of the elves? Okay. Now we shall see the poem. The characters in the poem are the little girl and the elves. Okay. The girl, she meets an elf in her garden. Okay, the little girl, she meets an elf in the garden. Okay, now see this picture. This is the poem for you. Okay, now see, the picture is so colorful, right? There are a sunflower. So many sunflowers are there, and who are the characters are there? The girl and the little elves are there. They are the characters in the poem. Okay, now I will read out the poem. Okay. I meet a little elf man once down where the sunflowers blow. I asked him why he was so small and why he did not grow. He slightly frowned and with his dark eyes looked me true and true. I'm quite as big for me, said he, as you are big for you. So it was written by John Hendrik Banks. Okay. So now the girl, she meets an elf in her garden. Okay, a girl who meets an elf in her garden. Okay, the girl who meets an elf in her garden. Okay. Now I will give you the explanation. Okay, I meet a little elf man once down where the sunflower blow. So the girl is saying that I have seen an elf where the sunflower blow. Okay, there are so many sunflowers you see in this picture, right? So down the sunflower only the little elf is there. Okay, I meet a little man once down where the sunflower blows. Where the sunflower at the down of the sunflower, the elf is there. Okay, so in this place only the little girl, she meets a elf. Okay, ask him why he was so small and why he did not grow. The girl, after she has seen the elves, she has asked the question. What is the question she asked? She asked that why he was so small. The elves, they are in the size very small. No, so the girl is asking that why you are so small and why you did not grow, like that. The girl is asking to the elves. Okay. He slightly frowned and with his dark eyes looked me true and true. So slightly means a little. Okay. New words. Slightly means a little. Slightly means a little, and frowned means, here one new word is there. No, frown. How you have to read this word? Frown. Repeat the word frown. Frown means broad eyebrows. Brought eyebrows together to show angry or worry. Frowned means what? Brought eyebrows together to show angry or worry. So frowned in Tamil we will say that முகம் சுளிக்கிறது. முகம் சுளிக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் தானே. அதுதான் இங்கிலீஷில் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, ஃப்ரவுண்டுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ முகம் சுளிக்கிறப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ரெண்டு ஐப்ரோஸையும் ஒன்று போல் கொண்டு வருவோம். எதனால் அப்படி கொண்டு வருவோம், இன் ஆர்டர் டு ஷோ தட் வி ஆர் ஆங்க்ரி ஆர் ஒரி. நம்ம வந்து கோவத்தில் இருக்கோம் இல்லைனா சோகத்தில் இருக்கும்போது we will bring the eyebrows together. முகம் சுளிக்கிற மாதிரி பண்ணுவோம் தானே, அதான் வந்து என்னது, frown. okay, so while the girl asked the question, the little elf, he slightly frowned, and the elf is looking at the little girl through and through, and he is saying, "I'm quite as big for me," said he, as you are big for you. எப்படி நீ உனக்கு பெருசோ அதே மாதிரி நான் எனக்கு பெருசு. like that the elf is telling the answer. okay, so what question the little girl asked? The little girl asked, why you are so small and why you did not grow? For that the elf he replied that I am quite as big for me as you are big for you. For you, you are big, no. Likewise, I am big for me. Like that the elf he told the answer. எப்படி நீ உனக்கு பெருசோ அதே மாதிரி நான் எனக்கு பெருசு. Like that the elf is telling the answer logically. okay, so this is the explanation of the poem. okay, who are the characters in the poem? That is a little girl and the elves. The little girl, he meets the elves in her garden. okay, he meets the elves where the sunflower grows. There are so many in the garden, there is so many flowers are there, no. In that the girl, she meets the elves where the sunflowers blow. At that time the girl, she is asking the question that why you are so small and why you did not grow. For that the elves, he logically replied the answer as I am big for me as you are big for you. I am big for me as you are big for you. எப்படி நீ உனக்கு பெருசோ அதே மாதிரி நான் எனக்கு பெருசு. likewise the elf is telling the answer very logically. okay, students, have you all understand the poem? I will read out the poem once. Students, listen to that. okay, I meet a little elf man once down where the sunflower blow. I asked him why he was so small and why he did not grow. He slightly frowned and with his dark eyes looked me true and true. I'm quite as big for me, said he, as you are big for you. okay, the little girl, she meets elves in her garden. She meets where the sunflower grow. At that time the little girl is asking the question why you are so small and why you did not grow. For that the elves, he frowned. Frowned means what? முகம் சொல்லிக்கிறது. Frowned, and he is looking at the little girl through and through, and he is saying the answer that I am big for me as you are big for you. Like that the elves, he logically says the answer. so okay, it was written by John Hendrik Banks. okay, so now we shall discuss the new words. What are the new words in our poem? Slightly. Slightly means what? A little. okay, slightly means what? A little. The next one, frown. Frowned means brought eyebrows together to show angry or worry. okay, frown means what? Brought eyebrows together to show angry or worry. So in Tamil we will say முகம் சுளிக்கிறது. and what do you mean by elves? Elves is the small magical creature. okay, students, have you all understand the poem? okay, what are the rhyming words you come across? Can you find out? There is only one rhyming words in the poem. so can you find out what are the rhyming words here? so that is blow, grow are the rhyming words. okay, rhyming words. What are the rhyming words in our poem? Rhyming words is only one rhyming words is there, that is blow, grow. Blow, grow are the rhyming words in this poem. now see in the second line they are given it as down where the sunflower blow, and in the fourth line they are given it as and why he did not grow. so blow, grow are the rhyming words in this poem. Okay, students, have you all cleared with the poem? So what the little girl is asking to the elves? The little girl asked to the elves that why you are so small and why you did not grow. Okay, what was the answer given by the elves? The answer given by the elves is I am quite as big for me as you are big for you. எப்படி நீ உனக்கு பெருசோ அதே மாதிரி நான் எனக்கு பெருசு. Like that the elf is telling the answer. I am quite as big for me as you are big for you. Like that the elf is telling the answer. Okay. Where did the girl meet the elves? The girl, she meets elves in the garden. Okay, where, in which place did they meet? They meet where the sunflower grow. Where there are so many flowers are there in the garden. No, in that where the sunflower blow down the sunflower, the elves is there. Okay, so this is the poem. I hope you understand the poem. The homework for today is you have to go through the poems and you have to learn and write these new words and also the rhyming words. Thank you, students.